Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 6, y'all. So today I am going to be actually relaxing in the tub, y'all. It's going to be a Q&A, so I'm just going to be relaxing in the tub and answering some of y'all questions. It wasn't that many questions that was asked on Instagram, so I want to go in depth to the questions that were asked to me. So y'all, let's get into it. I am ready to relax and enjoy the rest of my day by watching movies and going to sleep. So I definitely need this relaxation. So let's get right into it. I ask you all to ask me some questions. Ask me some questions and y'all receive, okay? Someone asked me tips for YouTube and Instagram makeup influencers. Okay, so tips for YouTube, I would say, and I'm sitting here, it's relaxing because I'm thinking about it, but tips for YouTube is to always stay consistent, y'all. Y'all have to stay consistent. That is like number one. Like, I just feel like if you're not consistent, then you're not going to be as known like that anymore. People are going to forget about you. And that is exactly how I'm feeling, y'all. I'm feeling like that now. Like, when you stop posting stuff, or you stop posting for a certain amount of time, and you just vanish sometimes. Like, people just stop forgetting about you. You have your loyal ones, like out of the 220 that I have, that are really there for me, and then you have the ones that just subscribe just to subscribe. So I really appreciate all my loyal downs that stay, even if I am missing sometimes, or but that's what I'm trying to get at. Is the main key is to stay consistent. You want to stay consistent because you just never want to. And people think that YouTube is easy. Sometimes it may look like that, but it's not easy, y'all. I do everything myself. I don't even have a manager. So it's like I'm trying to put out content for you all. I do makeup tutorials. This is what I do. When I got on that, I did makeup tutorials. So that's number one. Always stay consistent. Number two, be original. You always want to be original. Be yourself, okay? Because when I first started to come into YouTube, yeah, y'all, I was not myself at all. Like, and when I say that, if you go back to like my old YouTube videos, I was trying to be somebody I wasn't, by like talking different or trying to talk proper, but was not, sounding very illiterate. My speaking has become way better than before, y'all, and I totally see it. But yeah, that's number two. And third, don't put out anything just to get views or likes or money for you. So don't come into YouTube thinking that, oh, I'm gonna get money, so let me upload a YouTube video. No, come in it for a good reason. It is money on YouTube, y'all, but don't get me wrong. I didn't start getting into like 3 years maybe into starting a YouTube channel. So definitely know what you want to start YouTube for. As for beauty influencers on Instagram, keep doing you. Your dad's gonna come. I keep saying that. I say that for myself too, because I still don't think, I think I would have known, but I don't think that I'm a big influencer, It's bad for the house. Next year will be 7 years that I will be on YouTube and I think Instagram. Yeah. Well, I've been on Instagram probably way longer than YouTube. Than YouTube. Yeah. So, y'all, just be yourself, y'all. Be consistent. Stay trying to post things. Make sure your stuff is like really neat looking. Like your page is neat looking. People like that stuff. Try to go live more. That's something that's my biggest thing, and I'm trying to set a date where like I can go YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram live for 2020. So I have to, like, this is what I came here for, like, and I just feel like I have to do it. I have to go live more. When you go live more, you gain more downloads, you gain more followers, you gain more views. Just showing your talent off to try to build your way up, y'all. Build your way up. Try to go, I always say try to go on like the Facebook groups, but I hear now that they're messy. But when I was coming up, that's when I was in, and that's how I prospered as well to become where I am today. So trying to find a group that's not messy. I think I might create my own group for you all and try to get it to where it's like at a good following so that people can come on here. I mean, come on my page, my Facebook page, and go live. This little platform, you know, so they can build their own. So I'm thinking about that too. Let me know if y'all want that comment section below, y'all. So yeah, definitely take my 3 keys, y'all. I can't tell you any more things to do. That's my living. Gagey Lock. Yeah, she said that first question. So the second question is from Facebook by Bianca_. She said, "Is life treating you good?" So I can't say that life is treating me good because I am still alive. I'm still breathing. I'm still here. But life, it didn't hit me hard, but it's semi hitting me as far as like relationship problems, because like if it, you know, if I wasn't so like, I don't know how to explain. If I wasn't so, I just got a relationship, y'all, in March. So I did separate from my baby daddy. We went through this road, y'all. It's crazy, but I really don't. I'm trying to move past it, and I'm trying to think about it. So you do need time, and I just honestly feel like I do need time to myself. But I do love, you know, I don't know. I'm like so confused. That's the only thing I can really say, y'all. I'm so confused when it comes to this life thing. It's like I want so much more. Like, and then you can talk about so much in this too, but like as far as that, and I met Duke, y'all, in the summertime. So it was like summertime madness, like, oh, I really like him, I'm falling, stuff like that. I just fall easily too. But I don't know. I just haven't had the time to myself, and I just feel like I'm falling off too because of that. Hold on, somebody's texting me. Yeah, I feel like I haven't had time to myself at all to really focus on me, to like really focus on my career, y'all. Like, and I just, and then it's just, I'm like all over the place. I haven't had time to, I mean, I did have time to grieve with my brother, but I'm still, I don't know, it's just like, damn, like he really not here. So it's just like, man, I be wanting to cry out, but I can't because I'm trying to be strong. Ooh, Jesus. Yeah, I'm just like, I'm in this thing called life, and it's just like I can't explain it no more. Like, I'm just here, and it's just so much that I want to do. So 2020, I definitely think that I want to focus more on me, my baby, and just my life period. I just feel like everything else will fall into play if I honestly think, I mean, if I honestly do my job and think about that. Like, I miss the old me where, you know, I was still going with Legend's dad, and I really didn't, you know, worry about much. I really was doing YouTube like every day. I like to go on live. I like to go on Facebook. Like, that's so me. Like, and I just feel like I lost it. I just feel like I lost it, y'all. And I keep saying I want to come back, and I really want to come back. Like, and I just feel like I haven't been partying as much, so it's like now I want to go out on a party. You know, I want to see what it's about. But it's like I have to tell myself, like, baby girl, you gotta chase a bag, bitch. You gotta stop worrying about, you know, that shit is forever and a day, y'all. And I have to tell myself that, constantly tell myself that, because, like, man, that is so true. Like, man, fuck a nigga, bitch. Chase that bag, okay? Life is actually really good. It's just I want and I expect more out of life and my career. I really do, like, and I really want to go far, like with this. Like, man, it's just crazy. And then you look at the Instagram girls and the influencers and stuff like that. It's just like, man, I know I got the potential, but I'm not pushing it out as hard enough. That's the best and worst thing about being a makeup artist. Okay, I'm just gonna be honest, y'all. Like, the thing about being a makeup artist is that you can come up with so many different color combinations, so many different techniques that you can do. Like, it's just so much that comes to makeup. You can be so creative with. So it's a lot of things that you can do. And it's like good benefits. You get PR, you get paid for promotion. I mean, if you wasn't a makeup artist, I think you still get paid for promotion. You get to review lashes, you get to review all these different things, y'all, when it comes to makeup. And that's like really a good thing. But I don't know. Being humble, a humble makeup artist is not nasty and snotty. I try, like I said, it's so hard because I'm doing everything by myself. I don't have a team behind me at all to help me with anything. So if I try to reply to somebody, you know, if I take a long time, I'm only one person. I can't reply to everybody. Like, I try to reply to everybody. It's really a team behind me, like a response team, you know, and like maybe a camera crew or something like that. I don't know. But being a makeup artist is actually really good. It's a lot of makeup artists. And I've seen, and when I first started YouTube, it wasn't this many makeup artists out here. But it's actually so many talented makeup artists out here, y'all. It is crazy. Like, I started off, but I wasn't that talented. But I worked my way up. But it's now, people have the tools actually out here to be like really good. So like how I started out okay. Well, horrible. I started out horrible, but like if I started now, it's like, dang, I got so many, you know, I could take classes and stuff like that and be really good. So I did have that back in the day. It's always like MAC or, you know, a beauty counter. I need to become a makeup enthusiast or a makeup artist. You just winging it. You just really, and this is so raw because you start from being horrible to trying to be your very, very best, you know, and then you build clientele that way. Even when you was horrible, and they come like, you know, the first pictures, the before and after. Like, I don't know, it's just so many good things for being a makeup artist. The bad thing about being a makeup artist, I want to say, is competition. But this number one is like you have to do stuff that sets your makeup apart from the rest of the makeup artists. Not saying, you know, to be in competition with them, but be yourself, but also have your little signature. That's what sets you different from others. So if somebody comes to you, maybe it's because, or maybe somebody, you know, might do makeup really fucking good, but maybe they want to come to you maybe because of great hospitality. You do makeup good, you know what I'm saying? But maybe because you're so humble, you're great to talk to. I don't know. The clientele's not liking their makeup, maybe. I do simple beats, but it's like over the top simple beats. I haven't mastered the natural no makeup look. So if you come to me, you already see my makeup already on Instagram or Facebook to know that I don't do this. Like, I would do it all the time. I say, you look great. Thank you, girl. Thank you. So my friend Minnie asks, how is all your editing done? Who does it for you? So we just talked about it in the car. So I do all my editing. Nobody else does it for me but me. I tried to get an editor. I really want a good editor. I want a videographer that, you know, knows how to capture my picture. And this is like, I don't know, you can't find those things in Chicago though. Like, it's like California has everything. I want to move to California, but I don't know, I'm just so scared to get up and move. Y'all first start YouTube, you're gonna be very shy, camera shy. So as years go on and you consistently do makeup tutorials or whatever you do as far as YouTube or Instagram or Facebook Live, anything. Okay, shut up. Just know that you have to get used to the camera. It's gonna take a lot of practice, it's gonna take a lot of filming just to get used to it. I've been trying to tell myself to learn big words so that I can also have like different type of grammar for you all. But yeah, definitely you have to get used to the camera because everybody I ain't gonna say everybody, but 9 times out of 10, most people are gonna be shy when it comes to filming videos and getting on camera. This will be my last question, you guys. When did I know that makeup was something I wanted to do? Was when I was actually little. My mom used to play makeup palettes and used to use the sticks. She used to use the sticks all the time. My mom was always like into like fashion and makeup and glamour. Well, not really into makeup, but she would use it. So I would always think it was cute. Put your lip gloss on, your eyebrows. Then I started getting some eyelashes when I got like in 8th grade maybe. Definitely did the shadow like really looking like a straight clown, but it's okay. These people was hyping it up and they liked it. But yeah, I don't know what they saw, but I guess they saw potential. And then I discovered YouTube, back in the day YouTube, and then that's when I started watching Time Infamous, y'all. It was somebody else named Colorful something. I forgot her name, but I was watching her and a few more other people. I think Dominique video, I tried to do it and it was a fail. But y'all, yeah, definitely got inspired from that. And I actually think that was like my gift. So y'all know, like, if y'all have a passion or if y'all want to do something, go for it. Don't let nothing stop you. Don't think or worry about what others are doing. When you're doing YouTube, you're going to learn that in the long run. Do not think about what others are doing. Don't look at nobody's subscriber account. Don't look at nobody's views. You know, and then sometimes when you talk to beauty influencers and makeup artists, be cordial, you know, but don't, I don't know, from experience, don't be as friendly because some people do not have good intentions. Some people are so shady as fuck. Okay, and I'm just so being honest, like, and if you see the shadiness happening, just try to distance yourself because, man, I'll speak from experience. It's a lot of shady people, but just be mindful of who you are talking to, talking business to, everything, you know? So, yeah, y'all, that's all that I can give you. I'm about to get out of this tub because I'm about to turn into a grown up in this video. Okay, so I'll see y'all once I get my clothes on. So I'm about to go lotion up, put my gown or pajamas on. I like gowns. And yeah, about to go watch me a good movie. Alright, y'all, so if y'all ever wanted to know like my nighttime fragrance, I was gonna get this in a vlog. Y'all see my lotion. I love this Raw Shade Palmer's lotion. So good, y'all. And then I'm out of this because I've been using this for the summertime. Almost out of it. It's so good. It smells like the tropical islands or some shit. This Ariana Grande perfume is what the girl was asking me in the vlog, like, oh, you smell good, what was that? This is what I use, y'all. It's so good. It smells so good. And then deodorant, that smell hella good. I got this the other day too. It reminds me of like back in the day. You know how you just smell something just reminds you of your childhood? You just smell really good. But yeah, this is how I smell, y'all. This is exactly how I smell. I am in my room right now. I'm about to edit this vlog actually. Just sitting here. I did go and throw on a tank top and some shorts. This is how I sleep. If we want no tank top and shorts, it'll be naked, okay? We don't do that. We like to sleep naked around here. Don't play with them pajamas. Ain't nobody with them pajamas and shit. Watch a movie, check some emails, and go to sleep. I hope that y'all enjoy a Vlogmas day 6. Basically a Q&A details, especially how I feel. I just wanted to express that a little bit to you all. But until then, I'll see you on Vlogmas day 7.